Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you a super cool technique using resin and chalk markers from the brand Chalkola. So I'm going to start by mixing some resin and adding some black pigments to create the background. For those of you who don't know, you can't paint on cured resin, and this time I'm going to use chalk markers. These markers are super opaque and non-toxic, making them great for kids. They are suitable for all non-porous surfaces, easy to use, easy to clean, and they have a variety of colors including neons and metallics. They have jumbo 6mm and 1mm nibs that are also reversible. I received the 36mm nibs set and they look like this. If you would like to try these super cool markers, head over to chalkola.com and use the coupon code Chalkola10 for a 10% off your entire order. All the links will be in the description box. For this project, I decided to create a layered piece, and as you saw on the previous clip, I made a sketch and added numbers to each element to know in which layer I was going to draw them. Layering resin will give the painting a magical 3D look. After each drawing, I'll wait for the paint to dry, then I'll add a resin layer and wait 24 hours so it hardens and we can start drawing the next elements. This piece has 5 layers, so it took me some time to make. Remember to always pop the resin bubbles with a torch, or if you are looking to create some cool effects, then let them be. I was super excited when I received these markers and wanted to do something different. When someone says chalk markers, you always think of a chalkboard or lettering. I wanted to show the versatility of these markers. There's so much surfaces you can paint on, so feel free to experiment and have fun. A great thing about these markers is that they are very forgiving. If you make a mistake, simply use a wet wipe to clean it up. For the last layer, I'm going to take the piece out of the mold. Some people ask why when they cast pieces, they have this weird edge, and it's simply because the resin sticks to the walls of the mold. Taking the piece out and adding resin will create a dome. And look how cool it looks from the side. You can see all the layers. Be careful with this step. Don't add too much resin if you don't want it to overflow. Make sure to cover your piece to prevent dust particles. 24 hours have passed and our piece is ready. I left a couple of bubbles in mine so they look like stars, but if you want, you can just pop them completely with a torch. I really like how this piece turned out, and from this side you can see how beautiful the layers look, and you can use this as a decorative piece if you want, as a coaster, or you can even put a light behind it and appreciate the layers. Special thanks to Chalkola for sending me these markers to show you, and I want you to know that this video is not sponsored and my opinion about these markers is completely honest. Remember that the coupon code will be in the description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what would you do with a set of these chalk markers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!